Hey everybody, what's up? This is Imran from the Biker Crew UAE. Thanks for joining me. Today, I've got something a little special for you guys, a little different, a little home DIY, little do-it-yourself. But before we begin,
remember to hit that subscribe button to support the channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
Now, if you live in a community or an apartment building or anywhere where there's people around and you own a motorcycle, there's a really good chance that they're going to get curious and they're going to want to touch it, they're going to sit on it, and inevitably something's going to break. Well, for me, this broke. So I am going to now tell you how you can fix this with some basic stuff that you probably already have at home. So this is a DIY video from the Biker Crew UAE. Yes, I have a broken indicator. In fact, I had two, but I just fixed one.
Use the Allen key to unloosen the bolts that secure the top plate cover in place. Put some super glue on the broken indicator and hold it in place until it is stuck firmly on. Use strips of duct tape to strap the indicator tightly in place.
You have got to remember that it is imperative to keep that hole clear. It's so that you can screw in the top plate cover. Use as much as you need to make sure that your indicator is stuck really well. Otherwise, you're gonna have problems. Make sure you make as much use as possible of the entire mounting brackets. It will ensure that this stays on.
Make sure to test the indicator to make sure that it does not move. If it does, use more duct tape. Next up is the insulation tape. This is mainly to cover up the duct tape and give the bike an aesthetic look. You are free to use any color you like. My indicators were black, so that was the color I used. Test the part again to make sure that it is secure. Replace the top cover plate and make sure to not over-tighten the bolts, as the cover is not too strong and could crack. That's it, you are ready to get back on the road.
I hope that was helpful and that you will now be able to fix your motorcycle with the basic stuff you have at home. Thanks for watching. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.